Your copy doesn't convert because AI can't write like humans. Until now. You know the routine. Staring at that cursor for hours trying to craft the perfect email. Dropping thousands on freelancers who deliver mediocre results a week late. Or my personal favorite, begging ChatGPT to write it again but better 15 times in a row. The worst part? After all that effort, your conversion rates still suck. Here's what nobody's telling you. 99% of AI-generated copy sounds exactly like AI-generated copy. And your customers can smell that robotic nonsense from a mile away. In 2025, businesses are turning towards Copywhiz.ai, the world's first AI copywriting tool trained to write like a real copywriter, and outperforms most so-called real copywriters you'd hire on sites like Upwork. Just enter a couple lines of input and there you have it. A piece of copy that will not only outperform the work you pay thousands for, but will save you a shit ton of time.
If you'd like to give it a shot, sign up to www.copywhiz.ai today and check it out yourself. If you happen to be the next 100 people to use code REELS20, you can get a cheeky 20% off on your subscription for the next few months. Good luck.